All right, I'm back. I'm getting everything loaded back up. Oh my gosh, I thought there would be an onslaught, and there is. It might be fairly difficult to trade here over these next little bit. I mean, that's lit up. That's that's too many signals. That means everything's up. All right. Well, I've got to do some more logging in. All right. All right. I think I might have everything going again. We'll see. Let me start loading up some stuff. We're about almost 20 minutes in. Wow. This is this is going to be interesting. I'm going. I am trying to do better. I am taking everything mostly from the strong scanner, the extra strong scanner. So, and it's bouncing around, so it's kind of hard to keep up with. All right, y'all seen the scanners? Okay, let's go over here and see what's happening. And because I missed IBM, I've got the uh, I've got the open range sorting at the 15-minute one. To keep the stronger ones that are moving near the top and not get lost in the middle there. But ZS looks pretty good. It's making new highs. Let's put it on. All right, again, we're 15 minutes in. We got dark blue here. We got dark green here. We're just missing one. Uh, we've got RSIs very strong here and here. That's a strong stock. That's a strong stock. Like I said, we're only like 20 minutes in. EWI is on there. XOM is on there. All right. We're just going to be, we're going to try not to trade weak ones. All right, we got a strong one here and a strong 5 here. This is USO, US oil. Okay. We watched the top 2 or 3. These are not moving. These are not moving. Look, not moving. So we're not worried about those. They're just a distraction. Even if they look good over here, they're not doing anything. So we don't watch them. Again, very visual. ZS, TWLO, USO, ZM. They're our top four. And again, I'm not gonna. I try not to trade shorts, so I didn't even put any shorts on here. Even though I recognize a few of the names. All right, USO is 30 cents off the high. TLO is TWLO is 90 cents off. ZS is 60 cents off the high. So we're just gonna bide our time. Try not to miss. We're gonna try not to miss one, like we did. It was like a $4 or $5 move on IBM, and I just sat there and let it happen. And this time I'm gonna try not to let it happen. But I truly shoot for the chaos to die. From my experience, the first 3 bars, which is his first 15 minutes, it goes up, it kind of flattens out, it rolls over, and then it just kind of flattens out again, and then we get a good move from here. So that's why I don't want to be inside that 15-minute range. I want to be a little ways away from it to give it time to do that. USO is rocking the house. But it's flat. We don't have good momentum here. We got ZS, TLO, snow is hitting, so we're going to put snow on here. NBIL is hitting. I think I got ZM on there already, but I'll type it again. VEEV is hitting. We got plenty. We got plenty to look at. All right. Our 20-minute one. We've got a 20-minute. We got some guys breaking the 20-minute, but nothing really showing up just yet. I like to look at the strong RSIs on the 1 and the 5. We've got XOP, strong RSI on the 1. But if you'll look over here, it's flat. It's not really doing anything. So we'll bypass that one for the time being. Let's go back over here. Another strong RSI is USO. Right here. Now we got TLO kicking back in. And TLO is it broke out of the 20-minute open range. The thing is, we got no volume on the 1 here, guys. See that in the middle there? We need green there. Like if we're going to be trusting any of these moves, we need green there. Got an 89 right there on USO. Got good volume. We got a little steepness on the 2. Let me do something here. It's flickering. It's just flickering. We're getting a little steepness right there. Market's a little redder. It's moving down right here if you look at the numbers up here. And you can also see them right over here. And what the price action is doing here. So when I see that, I tend to think longs are suspect. But we got TLO moving up. It's $1.43. It's 79 cents above the 25. We've got a strong RSI here. Strong RSI there. Everything else looks good. Got good volume. We got no volume here on the 1, but we got good pace and good numbers on the 5. I'm going to take a look at it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to take a look at it. We got a 3 right here. X control 3. But that's really overextended right there, guys. I'd like to see it roll back and then make a move up. I don't trust that. Plus, we didn't have good volume on the one. We had pretty much zero volume in here. But those are strong numbers right there, guys, and that's what we want to see. Still no volume right here. BX hit. So we throw it on there. All the ones are flat, guys, right here. IBM finally hit threshold, moving down. Those are my down colors. Green, magenta, and dark red. It's either dark red or purple. I don't know. You'll look over here. Look at all the ones that are going down. That tells me right there it is suspect on longs. Be careful of the longs. You might get one or two that can give you a little short run, but when you see that right there, that's significantly down. All right, we got some volume on VEEV. We're going to stick it over here on the chart and see what it looks like. Our RSI, we got, the only one that's got a good RSI is USO. And the other one is XOP. And it's making new highs. XOP is making new highs at 55 cents above. God damn it. Got a couple of RSIs that are strong here. That's XOP and that's CXV. But no volume on the one. No volume on the one. Don't have volume on the one, it doesn't matter. Again, visual, guys. That's why I'm trying to. That's why I tried to get this. It took months to get this set up like this, guys. All right, snows breaking above the 30. We got good volume here on the one. Good volume on the. We got good pace. We got negative numbers on the 5. That's not good. Are they going down? If they're going down, that means they're buying. It is going down. So let's take a look at that. We got a strong 5. That's it. And the last time I tried a strong 5, I lost $900. And a week 1, I lost $900. Let's see. Got a week 1 and a strong 5. I'm gonna do a couple hundred shares. It's going down. We got good stochastics. We got a strong 5. I'm gonna try it. We got a strong 5. I'm gonna try it. See what happens. We got good volume here on the 149. It looks like it's. We got green pace, 150. We got strong 5. We got a strong 5. We got a X control forming right here. That's good for us. Let's see if we can get 50 cents to $1. Again, I went in weak. I knew I was weak. But the 5 is strong, and the market is is letting up a little bit. It's not as many red heading down. All right, 164, green pace still. 166, 165, 166. Still got a strong 5 at 142 through 428. It's growing. I don't like that. 98, 99, 100. Still got a strong 5. 25, 26, 27, 32, 33. We got pace coming in to knock us down. 10,007, 5, 10, 9, 11, 7, 11. We got big pace coming in. We're still getting positive numbers up here on the 5. And we got a strong 5. And probably what's going to happen is the same thing that happened last time, is I traded a week 1. But the 5 is super strong. And the market's not down that bad. I got 1673, 1681, 1699, 1742. We got green pace. That's good. The market is back to, the 5 is back to positive again. The blue, it means it's moving up. 13. $408 on pace. That's strong. I sold it. 20 bucks. Lost $20. Snow's hitting the scans. BX is hitting the scans. Take my word for it. Let's look over here. It didn't pull away. Remember, it was a week 1 into a strong 5. I didn't do well that last week with that. All the ones are weak. All the ones are weak. Snow is breaking out. Let's see what it'll do. The problem is the price action is negative, so I'm not excited that it's breaking out. It's even on the high. It's even on the scanners over here, guys, but it's not doing anything. All right, CRW. Let's see. CRWV and CRWX. Let's put those on there. They're just making new highs. I don't know how strong they are. They're not on the strong scanner. All right. Snow. All right. What we got here? USO. That's good. We got strong 5s, but weak 1s, dude. Strong 5s, but weak 1s. See right here? Look at those RSIs. No RSI here. We're only 140. Snow is trying to do something. Let's put it on the chart and see. It's weak though, guys. I'm not looking at it. It's weak. I can see it right there. I can see it. Now, CRWV is doing something. Let's look at it. Strong on the 1. Not the strongest we like, but strong on the 5, so it's very strong. The spread is good. I like that. I'm gonna take a trade. And I'm going big shares because the spread is close. We got good volume here. 1,044, 1,046, 1,049. We got a strong 5, 90 and 90s. That's a strong 5. We got an X control trying to form on the 5 up there. Still building on the 1. 1064. Gosh damn it. 1069, 1070. Pace is knocking it down. Still building. 212, 22,000, 107. Still got a strong 5, 90 and 91 and 95. Hope I didn't miss much of the trade. We got an X control trying to form up here. And we're looking 50 cents to $1. That's what we're looking for. We got 11,000, 1110, 1111, 1113, 1114. The 1 is at 1,000 also. And this is CRWV, guys. $92, $99. On the RSI, on the 1 is $84, $96. They can fall hard from here. 111, 1163. We're at 85.
Order filled.
Plus 325. Beautiful. Plus 325. Beautiful. And over here, and it's still moving. It's still moving, guys. Let me show it to you. Look at this. Look right here. It's easier to see right here for some reason. It's still moving. And if you'll look over here on Market Analyzer, well, it's cooled off now. That right there is huge volume. Huge volume. And look, it's at 207 over. Snow is finally making some it's making some noise, but it's got no volume right here. There, oh, it's flashing. There it is. There's the volume at 130. But it's not as strong as CRWV. Look at the RSI here. CRWV is the 82 and high to mid 90s right here, or it was. Then you got dark blue here. That's the strongest it can get. Snow is dark blue. Dark green is flirting. Let's look at it. It's 82 and high 90s, 94. It's flickering. Strong one is well, 83. It's making a liar out of me. It's still kind of climbing a little bit. That's pretty strong right there. That's pretty strong. The spread is about 30 cents. I'm going to protect my profits. I'm going to go smaller shares. You got 83, 96, 235, 321, 324. It's all growing. I'll try it. Try to split the price.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in it. I don't like what it just did. 60, 33. Let's see if pace is big. 64, 72. It's growing. It's growing. 26, back to 263. Very good. We got a strong 5. It's 96, 99. Got a strong 5. That's important. Strong 5. The volume is back on the 1 at 271. Pace is good. We're 85. We're 85 and 95. That's strong on the 1. If we can get some volume, it'll go. And remember, I'm down to 200 shares because of the spread. 280, good pace. 281, 282. Still strong on the 5. It's 379, 96, 97. If one is weakening, I'm going to get out.
Filled.
One is weakening a little bit. It rolled over to like 83. It's kicking back up a little bit, and pace was coming in. Ended up with like $26. Let's see. It's still the top dog. Snow is still the top dog. We can get back in, but I'm gonna have to wait. Did I miss that? Did y'all miss that trade? Did I mess that up? Dang. I cannot believe. I tell myself, don't miss the trade now. Make sure you move it. All right, let's see what we got here. Dang it. All right, Snow's pulling back a little bit. It wasn't much of a trade. It wasn't much of a trade. You didn't miss much, but I think I got the other one. The first trade. Couple of new ones on the strong scanner. All right. DDOG is hitting the high day. Net is hitting high day. All right. We got an 86 right here. That is still Snow, but she's weak a little bit. She's weak right here. 83. That's still Snow. 80 is DDOG. Going to throw that on to the trading chart and look at it. All right, 5 is 89. 90, but we're short here on DDOG. The 1 is 82 and high to mid 90s on the 1. That's very strong. Very strong. We got on the 5. Where's the 5 at? Yeah, it looks like we got negative volume on the 5. We got negative volume on the 5, which is right here. We don't want to mess with that. It's getting smaller, so that means the buying's coming in, and you got green pace. It might do something because it's strong. It's 89, almost 90 on the 5. The 1 is 80, 94. We need to be mid 90s. Actually, we need to be dark green over here. We need to be dark green, and we're not dark green. T-low, you got dark blue, we need dark green. Let's look at it. That's almost straight up on T-low. Got no volume though, guys, on the 1. And I'll try to remember to change to the trading chart. I think you missed the second trade. But the first trade, I'm pretty sure I got most of it, or all of it, quite a bit of it. All right, it's kind of dying off here. T-low is flickering, but I don't trust it. It's just weak right here. It's flat. That is net. It's weak on the 1. Very strong on the 5. It's got good stochastics, strong stochastics on net. Let's look at it. You got 89 and 90. 90, 98, that's pretty strong. That's a 40-cent spread. I'll stay small. You got 48. You got 78. Yeah, no. We gotta have good numbers over here, guys. It's not worth the risk. if we don't have good numbers. That is DDOG. It's trying. It's at the top of the list, so it's important that it's there. But we've got 80 and 80. It's flickering with 80 and 80, and that's not strong enough. The 5 is weak right here. Still the strongest one right now is snow. I'm gonna look at snow. I'm gonna put snow back up there and see if we can get the one to get strong again. Maybe there's some more showing up. ACN. All right, who is that? That's CRWV. Still strong on the 5, y'all. It's 80 and 96 on the 1, so the 1's a little bit weak. Pulling back a little bit right here. ACN, weak right here. Strong stochastics. Again, we want dark green and dark blue. And we don't want to be down here. We don't want to trade anything down here. It's not moving. Up 333 on the day right now. Zip here, guys. Net might I don't know. That's a long way from being. We want to be we want to be like 85. We really do. That's 81. That's DDOG. Let's see if we can. Let's see what we got here. The 5 is strong. 90 and 99. The 5 is strong. If we can get a. If we can get. You got 82 and 89. The 5 is strong. We got good. We got on the 1 here. We got good pace. Though we got weak volume though. Still weak volume. 67.8's good for the 5. We're at 82 and 80. 84 and 80. That's kind of weak. All right, net's looking better. Net's looking better. We got 91 and hundreds on the 5. That's very strong. And now the 1 has got very good volume. We're at 80 and high. We got mid to high 90s on the stoves. That's really good. This is a real, that's about a 50 cent. I'll drop the 100 shares here. That's about a 50 cent. I'm going to try it. See if I can get in between the bid and the ask.
Order filled.
All right. We got 56, 260 here. We got 80s and we got mid to high stochastics. That's good. Very strong 5, 91, 92, and mid 90s. Mid to high 90s on the stochastics. That's a very strong 5. Volume looks good on both. 213 up here. 60, 61, 61.5, 62, 62.5. We got 216 up there at the top. 63, 64, 64.2. 5 still looks good. 219 on the 5. Good pace. 132 on the 5. 220 on the 5. 222 on the 5. The 1's looking weak.
Order
1's
filled.
looking weak. So we got out. All right. Back over here. Net's flickering 80s and 90s, 80s and 90s, and it's number 2, so it's worth looking at. But it wasn't doing anything. It wasn't moving up like we want it to. NVDA is hitting the new high scanner. CRWV and CRWX are both hitting the high day scanner. That's CRWV. That's great. That's good volume on the 1, good volume on the 5, but it's flat. We got no numbers here on the stochastics. We got no numbers. No, don't trade it. 87 on DDOG. That's strong. The volume is weak on the 1, but it's strong stochastics and strong RSI. Even stronger on the 5. We got an X control forming right here. We'll see what we can do. The spread is just really wide. I'm gonna stay at 100. See if I can get in.
Order filled.
And we've got a strong 5, and the 1 is kind of weak, but I'm going small shares, and we're weak on the stochastics. RSI looks great, but we're weak on stochastics. 5 is at 114. RSI is 90. 79.37. 88, 93. Very strong 90 and hundreds. 119 on the 5. 98.77 to 10,000 on the 1. 11,000. 11.4. We're at 90 and 95. $123 on the 5. And it's number 3 in our watch list. I'm going to get out.
Order filled.
Failed too quick. I got out with about $19. All right. Again, weak. It's 10:25. Maybe we'll catch something. Again, we try to concentrate on the top few, but DDOG hasn't done anything. I've tried it twice, I think. Net, I've tried it once or twice. It's not going anywhere. We'll just have to wait and see what's going. CVX is moving to new highs. Let's look at it. It's strong on the 5. You got 90s on the RSI. You got to pay attention to that, guys. If we got dark blue, we're interested. These are high to mid stows. We want to see that. We want to look at that. Even though the RSI is a little weak, we want to look at that. You got 90, high to mid 90s on the 5. The 1 is flat. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. It's flat. But the stochastics look good. We could take a chance if there's a small spread. There is a small spread. I'm going to try it. 34.5. That's a very small spread. That's good. 34.8, 35.8, 36. It's building on the 1, but no momentum. Let's see if we can get just a little kick. There's no momentum. Maybe we get a slow grind. We got good numbers up here. We got 90 and 90. That's good. 660. It just died. We got 195 on I'm getting out.
Filled.
Not going anywhere, guys. Not going anywhere. Snow's back to having some good price action over here. Right here. Well, it flipped. But the stochastics are weak. But it is our leading gainer. So let's look at it. I don't want to go back on my what I try to do is watch the top ones. They're the ones that are moving. That's big numbers on. See that strong 5 right there, guys? That is a strong 5 right there. That's 96, 97 with a week 1. I'm telling you, I've seen it. Even though I lost money last week, I've seen this pull up weak stocks. We got good volume, 33. I'm gonna try it.
Order
I went
filled.
200 shares. I want to see what happens. It's a strong 5, very strong 5. Good volume, 731K. 35, 30, 35.6, 35.7 on the 1 right here. Good pace. Got to get some more steepness. That's a very strong 5. It's our number 1 leader. It's got the interest of the day. 44, 44.6, 53.
Order filled.
217. 217. That's what I was hoping would happen when I lost $900. I think it was Tuesday last week. Look at it, still going. Look at that. And you didn't get to see the damn trade. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so aggravated. All right, what I did, I want y'all to see the numbers over here, and I'm sorry you're missing the trade, but if you got a 97 here and mid to high 90s here, and your stochastics are buried regardless of that right there, that's something worth looking at. It may fail on you because you don't have the RSI involved, but you got to look at it. That's a strong 5, and the 1 can come into confluence with that, especially if you got high stochastics like that. I got it on the trading chart. I'm going to leave it on the trading charts, and I'll just tell you what. I'll flash back and forth maybe. Let's leave it here and not over there. Well, we have to look at this. This is how I know what to do. You got to understand this. Even though you're missing, I'm not getting you back to the trades. You got to know this. All right, we got something right here that looks okay. CVX, it's been making new highs over here, guys. Let's see what. But look here. Look, it's flat. It's flat. We do not want to trade that. That is flat. I don't care to trade that. I'm not going to trade that. All right. I got some new ones. I got CRWV is coming back into play. It's very strong on the 5. We are talking 90s and 95s. That's strong 5. We got good volume on the, we got a close spread. I'm going 500 shares. We got big numbers here, 139. Pace looks good. Very strong 5. Very strong 5. We got 150, 152. 1,000K on the 5 up there. Oh, no, don't die on me. Don't die on me. 57, 58, 59, 61, 65. That pace is killing us right there. I was up 150, 71, 202. Come on, 80. It's still buying. It's still buying. It's still buying, and it's still buying on the 5 too. But that pace is killing us. Come on, 87. I started to sell. 88, 88, 81. It's selling. Damn it. 85, 85, 86, 86, 86, 7. Look at that. 85. The pace is killing us. 85, 84. Ah,
Order filled.
I had a chance to get out. I gave most of it back today on that play. Down to from about 500 up to 140. 140 up. Darn. All right. TWLO is making new highs, but it ain't got it's when it turns to 0 right there, that's a new high, and it's over here on the new high scanner just right before Hut right there. See that right there? Hut is, I think, Pizza Hut. It's making new highs, but we got no volume over here. None whatsoever. And CRWV, it is our 1, 2, 3, 4. It's our fifth one. So it's worth when it's strong like that. It's worth taking a chance. And I gave back too much money, but hey, it almost broke loose, and we were already up $500, and we could have added to that. All right, it's showing some strength again. You're still at 90 and 91. That's strong. It's not super duper strong. It's this right here. We're weak on the 1. T-Low, I don't know what it's doing. It got no volume whatsoever, but it seems to be the killer. NBIS can move. It's on the high. CRWG. CRWV, we already know about that one. NBIS is up here. Kind of losing it here on the 5. Oh, I hate I gave all that back. But that was worth a try. It really was. That's NBIS. NBIS is weak. I got this new indicator I designed. It tells me if the price is above the 2. As long as the price stays above the 2, that's still a strong 5. It's still in trend. But if it starts dropping below the 2, you got troubles. You got weakness. All right, right now, T-Low has got Jack for volume, and it's still just slowly climbing up. There's nothing there. All right, what we got here? You got net looking okay again. That's the one that took my money, I believe. 72,000. No, net wasn't it. You got 80 and 96. Week 1, a real weak one over here. Just a real weak one. But these RSIs, guys, you got to watch these. If they get dark blue, we're interested. Like this right here, we're interested in that. That's OKTA. That's on the 5. And sometimes you can bring the 5, the 1 will respond, but you see how it dropped back real quick? We didn't have the RSI involved. It dropped so quick it took my money because we didn't have all 3. We didn't have a real strong one. We had a strong one, but we didn't have a real strong one. NBIS is at the top. Weak still. It's 922 up. It gapped up $12. That's pretty strong. I don't know. It's only 80. It's only like 82 and 96. That's not great. Got nothing on this RSI here. Got nothing on stochastics. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. All right, flickering right here. That's DDOG again. It's not done anything. It's flickered a couple times, but it's not. It won't move. All right, net's doing something. Net's forcing off the high. We got good volume on the 1. We're 77 and 87. That's not great. And we're 80 and 96. That's not great. And I got to remember to when I look away and I start considering trading, to switch from the market analyzer to here. And I'm saying it out loud, so maybe it'll stick. All right, we got something moving here. DDOG. It's not strong though, guys. We got a X control forming on the 5. That's good. We got 59.4 on volume, 21.6. This may be the break we're looking for. I'm gonna go small shares again because that's a wide spread. All right, I'm gonna get out. It just turned red again. And again, we got 90s down here. We got 39 and 78. We got they're semi-strong on both. They're not real strong on both. And I don't have cushion. I don't have a lot of cushion anymore. I could easily go red for the day. All right, snow is moving again. Very strong. Snow is very strong on the 5. We got mid to high stochastics. We've got a weak RSI. Means it's a weak 1. And the last time I did that, I lost money. But I know a strong 5 can pull up a 1. But it's better to have a strong 1 to go along with the strong 5. 74 and 89, 70 and 80, that's just weak. That's just weak. I don't care what kind of volume you got on the 1. We got that's net. I'm looking at net. We got 102 here. That's good. See how the pace is coming in. 111, 112, 115.
Order filled.
I'm going to try it. 117, 120. We got a strong 5. It's building, still building volume right here. Got good pace. You got 123, 124, 78, 93. I went small shares. 3, 31, 32, 36. It's still building. Pace is knocking it down. 37.5, 128. That's good. If it can just get a little more volume and some pace. We got a strong 1. 55, 129. We got we just got 90s on, we got 90s on the stove, so it's kind of hanging. But that's a strong 5, guys. It can pull a 1 up. If it will, I don't know. We got negative pace, 1288, 12.1, 12.136, 12.6, 12.6, 22, 72, 139, 227. We still got a strong 5, super strong 5. 1,047 volume on the 5. 247 here, that's weak. 269. We're flat here. 32, 34. 4,000. 40, 40, 50, 41, 55, 42. 43, 44, 46, 50, 58, 62, 63, 65. I just want $1. Give me $1. I'm out. Because it's really overextended. I was hoping. Net, what's it doing? Net looks good. 80s, 85 and 99, that looks good. We got 87 and 100, that looks real good. We got a small spread. I'll go 300.
Order filled.
All right, 87 and 100, that's good on the 1. We got 87 and 100 on the 5, that's good. We got 149, we got 127, that's really good volume. Just got to move. It's just got to get some volume in there. 129, 130 on the 5. We just lost the 1, I think. 619, 13, 29, 1348, 1366, 1398. Pace is killing us. 17, 19. It went negative, guys. I'm getting out. Hate giving back my money. I'm minus 33, minus $33. Look at what the pace can do. See that pace? See that pace coming in right there? That big pace. It knocked it down. And what are we doing? Net. Net is down $1. Down $1. All right, it's 10:45, and snow is really overextended, but it's the strong one. It's number 2. You got 80 and 94. On the 5, you still got 97 and 97. It's a very small spread. I'm going to take the trade. We got good volume. We got 19.6, 19.8, over 1,000 K up here. Let's see what happens. 21, 21.9, 22.9, 23. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. 28. Pace is coming in strong, too. All right. Good job. 37,000, 37.4, 37.8, 38, 39. I told you those strong 5s can pull those 1s up. 43. 43. 43. I'm out. All right, back to 219. That's not bad. The numbers don't lie. Okay, feeling better now. I gave too much money back, but I got some back. And you see how visual it was? You saw that trade? You see how I'm reading the numbers here? The numbers are objective. I don't have to guess. I'm looking for strength on the stochastics. That's a strong 5, guys. I don't care that, and it's still going. It's still going. The good thing is it was a small spread. I was able to get in on it. I'm going to try it again.
Order filled.
Probably give it back, but it's still a strong, and it's building 126, 127. Right here's what I'm looking at. The pace is good. The strong 5, very strong 5.
Order filled.
Boom. Just that quick. That's the kind of momentum we want. I saw it over here kicking back up, and I also saw it here kicking back up because I'm looking at the numbers. I'm looking at the stochastics and the RSI. So between the two, what I saw on Market Analyzer when I looked over, y'all weren't seeing it, and I saw this, I jumped in again with 300 shares, and the only reason I did 300 shares is because the spreads are close. And I went from 33 down back to 384. So basically I went from like 550 down to almost 400. So I'm 150 off my high. And I'm probably done for the day. And it's still kicking. Look, it's still kicking. It's still kicking. Look at the number, 276. It's rocking. Look at this pace. It's 88 and 94. If you get anything above 85 right there, you want to look at it. You want to be in it. It's 98 and 97. That's crazy strong. Crazy strong. Boy, that's tempting. That is so tempting. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. And we concentrate on the top 2 or 3 or 4, and let me tell you, that's a good day. That's a good day, guys. 384, 400, and we were at 500. That's a good day. All right, she's still moving. She's still moving. She's got 298. She's at 88 and 99.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it again. I'm going to be quick to get off if it fails. 304. 152. It's still strong on the 5. 284. 400. 24. 24/7. 7, 711, 793, 796, 25. 119 is turned into a negative number. That is getting bigger. It's popped up a little bit because of pace. Pace is coming in. Green pace is your friend when it's doing this. But if you lose that pace, it's going to drop hard on you. All right, we lost the pace.
Order
All right,
filled.
I'm back down to 150. That's worth a try. NBIS is rocking. Or the numbers look good. It's our number one. It's our number one. We got some dark blue over here. It's so strong on the 5. Definitely nothing on the 1, but it's up $13. It didn't go straight up, and that's a wide spread. That's a wide spread. That's 50-cent spread. That's hard to trade. That's hard to trade. All right, DDOG seems to not give up. And like I said, I should have quit. I'm back down to 153. DDOG. We're at 10:52. No, we got CRM here somewhere yet. All right. DDOG is 87 on the 1 and 88 on the 5. Wonder what the spread is. It's like a 20-cent spread. That's not bad. That's strong, guys. That's strong. I'm gonna try it.
Order filled.
Let's see what it does. 47, 48, 9, 87, 88, 88 still. It's holding 88, 383. Oh, come on, get the pace away. Give me some good pace. You got a strong 5, 88, high 90s. That's a strong 5. Come on, mama. Go. 52,000. 52.4. Come on, go. Go. 52.4. It's just kind of sitting there. 53.7. There we go. There we go. Don't give this back.
Order filled.
I made a little bit. All right, I got a strong 5 on NBIS with strong stochastics on the 1. I don't know. I don't like it. The spread is too wide, guys. It's dangerous. All right, we got a 90 on the 1 for DDOG. That's a strong 1. Maybe I should have stayed in it. The volume's coming back in. It's 62,400. We're at 90 and 80. The stows are weak. The stows are very weak. But the RSI is where we want it. Mid to high 80s. Just turned negative. I'll try to remember to change this back. But we got the leaders are kind of pulling back a little bit right here. Again, visual, guys. That's why I want to market this. I'm either going to market it or open up a trading room, one or the other. I'm not sure which, because I think it's very helpful. I think it helps. The worst thing is my camera, my ability to move the camera. I'm not good at that yet. All right, 82 is strong. We'll just have to wait. See if anything else shows up. And again, we want to watch the strong ones here, guys. NBIS is $1.25 off the high. Probably won't come back. Snow probably won't come back. It's probably got to do a big pullback to some support, like maybe where the 2, 4, and 9 come together, and it sits on top of that for a little bit and just goes sideways, and then it goes off. The problem with that is, though, it's going to lose all the strength. The 1 is going to lose all the strength. But if the 5 and then this is just drawing on past experience. If it pulls back on the 1 and the 5 stays in the high 90s, mid to high 90s on RSI, I know it failed. That's still something to look at, because if the volume comes in on the 1, it's going to go. It's going to go. ORCL's hitting the high day. I think I already had it on there. I think that's ORCO right there. It's 80 and 98, and on the one it's 72. And it's in the middle. It can crank and go, but I'm not trading that. I'm not trading that. It doesn't have enough. It doesn't have good momentum, and it doesn't have good strength. And if you look right here, it's not been strong at all back here. None of this. This is weak. All this is weak right here. Weak, weak, weak. I don't care what the heat map says. We got a little bit of momentum because of the price action, and it looks like it's probably all of this due to pace. It ain't due to volume, but these pace bars are pretty big, so not worth trading. DDOG is making a new high. Let's look at it. It's just doing this. It's just doing this slow climb. That one is weak. I like the 5. The 5 is 90 and 90. I like the 5. I know I'm going to regret this. Yeah, I'm not going to do it. I don't know. It's trying to form an X control. All right, net is showing some life, but it's not strong. It's not strong, guys. That will suck you in. That little move right there will suck you in and unfortunately take your money. There's no strength there. None whatsoever. You know how we know? Because we can see it. And why do we need to see it? So we can trade it. All right. DDOG is just won't go away. It's 82. We ain't got no. It's 80s and 90s. That's not bad, but it's already. I think it took some of my money a while ago. 31.9. I'm gonna try it because that's a good 5 right there, and it's decently strong on the 1. It's not great, but it's decent. 34, 35. 36, 37, 37.4. The 5 is the 80, is the 90 and 90. Stochastics are a little weak. I wanted them like 95, 97. 41, 41.7. 84, 84. That's weak. Still around 90 and 95 on the 5. 35, 44.7, 44.8. 44.9, 84 and 85. Don't like it. Don't like it. 322. Yep, don't like it.
Order filled.
Back down to 80 bucks. All right, we're still. It's really overextended. It's probably not smart to even trade it. It's really overextended up here. Okay, I got it back a couple different times. I'm gonna mess around and give it all back. Oracle's looking good. 84 and 98. That looks good. 78 and 90. It can climb to the top of the mountain. Easy. Got a small spread. I'll go 300 there. 64,000. It's making new highs.
Order filled.
All right. 66. Semi-strong 1. Very strong 5. Good volume on the 5. 74, 75. Right here, I'm talking about 74, 75. Right here, 79. Come on, baby, kick in. Let me get my money back. You got 87, 90. We got high stochastics. That's great. That's good strength. That's an 82 on the RSI. We want more. 92, 93, 94. Stochastics are strong on the 5. Not gonna lose it. Come on, baby. Don't give it up. Don't give it up. There we go. Very good. 116. 116, 124. Come on, go. There we go. Oh, we got negative pace coming in hard.
Order
We got
filled.
negative pace coming in hard there. Dang it. But you got to know how to read the numbers. It didn't hurt me. I got out with a little money. I didn't lose any money. All right, but it's still, I don't know. It's semi-strong on the 5. Not that great. DDOG is still trying to take my money. Look at that. 82 and 93, that's not great. But that 5, that's 90 and 98. That is good. Minus 1402, no, we don't want that. 354, that's great. If this starts to be less negative with this green pace, that's a good sign. And it's our number 3. It's our number 3. 20-cent spread. Minus 179. We're losing it right here. Losing it right there. NBIS has got some heavy pace on the 1. Not really pushing it up like I thought it would. I saw it on Market Analyzer. It's right here. 46,000. That's a lot of pace. And it can make if there's not a lot of volume, it can move, it in and of itself can move the price significantly. I don't know. That's weak. We don't want to get in that. I don't care how big the pace is. We don't want to get in that. All right, T-Low. It just has no volume. It's strong. It's very strong on the 5. It's got no volume. Look at that. Look at that. If the 1 had shown some strength, we'd have done great. But it didn't. It didn't. And it's just safe to stay out of something like that. Because when it turns to come down, it's gonna go. All right, look, I'm gonna show you this. Look, there's no volume here. That's nothing. It's got good volume on the 5, but that's nothing on the 1, and it's just climbing. NBIS's got some momentum showing. It's 83 cents off the high. Got some good price action right here. Let's look at it. And I'm only looking at the price action. It is not strong. It is not strong on the 5. I'm just looking at the price action. It's weak on the 1, big time weak. All right. This is ZM. It's strong on the 1. Got 25,000. You're at 80 and 90. The 5 is very strong. It's got a very small spread, so I'll go bigger shares on this if I decide to take it. Because look, it's been flat this whole time. Flat. Nothing there. Just another slow grind. And you don't want to trade a slow grind, guys. You want to be in and out. MNDY is showing life. RSI's in the 80s, but we want mid to high 90s here. Mid to high 80s. We don't have it. Plus it's further down the chart. Further down in Market Analyzer. Look right here. If we'd have took that trade on DDOG, I think that was DDOG. Was it? Yeah. I saw it flash minus $2. All right. That's ZM. Let's look at it. It's got some strong stochastics, but it's got no momentum. Zero momentum. 90 and 100, that's awesome. You're talking 80 and 90 and 90. Very close spread. That's not bad. But it's got no momentum. 34, 35. 147 on the 5. 35.5. No. These I just put in are on the 5-day scanner. They're not on the strength scanner. Actually, they are. They are. The IRE and IREN are on the strength scanner. But they're in the middle of the pack. And I don't know. Just they're in the middle. We're losing our strength over here. TLO is TLO is just, I don't know, man. It's still got some life. MBIS is threshold down on the 1. It's moved over $2 in 3 minutes down. Now, how we know that? We can see it right here on the 1 minute price action. It's good information. Tells you a lot. And here's what's doing it. You got negative volume. That's 62. Now it's 13,000 down. This is a lot of pace. That's 97,000 pace. That will move something. HUBS is acting up a little bit. Let's look at it. I'm gonna try to get one more run and see if I can add to my $94. And again, I probably should have stopped trading. Just called it a day, and I will next time. Next time I hit my daily goal is 500. I will stop. But it is cushion also. You can look at it that way too. We only went negative, I think, that one time at minus 33. But we saw some good trades. We traded them fairly well. And we saw them. That's the thing. We saw the trades develop. And I'm hoping I haven't disappointed you too bad over here. All right. This is interesting right here. That's HUBS. And I don't know. I don't trust it. It's up $10. Nah. Not this late in the morning. I'm not going to trust it. NBIS is probably done for the day. It's over $2 off the high. Right here. I mean, it's our leading gainer. Oracle, or the OKTA, is trying to do a little something. That's good volume on the one on these two right here. Oracle's got a little volume, and Oracle can move. I do know that. We got absolutely no strength on the one, none whatsoever. That is not a smart trade. We got negative numbers right here on the 5. We got negative numbers on the 5, negative 82.4, negative 82.6. It's building. We're done. We're done with that one. And right here, it's telling you the same thing on Oracle. Now it's 120 down, I think. Yeah, negative 120 down. So you do not. I don't care how much that one looks like it's going to move up. You don't go against a 5 that's moving down. Don't do it. It's not smart. And again, it still may run up several. It might could do $1, but when it loses this right here, this spine and this pace, that's going to drive it down quick. Alright. DDOG. Another one of those slow grinders. It never gave us anything on the one that I think is worth taking a chance on. Even though, I mean, it moved up well. That's Oracle. Got good volume. Problem is there's no strength. You got good. Okay, this is getting strength. You got a strong 5, but your 1 looks like poo. You got high 90s. You got mid to high 90s on the 1. You got a semi-strong 5. It could work, but you got to be real cautious. AEOI. $0.30 spread. DDOG, man, I'm telling you, it just won't go away. DDOG just ain't going away. But it's way overextended. And it just never, the one never got, I don't know, the one never really popped. AAOX and AAOI, those are strong. In the 80s, those are strong. Minus 15,000 here. 15.2, 15.4, 15.7. It's selling. So no, that's not a good idea. Hubs, whatever that is. Again, you know, hindsight's 2020. I should have quit 5 or 6 trades ago. But there's always tomorrow, and I'm still up. After 11, things start to get a little choppy. I mean, it moved good. DDOG and TLO moved good. They just didn't. The ones just didn't. The parameters on the ones just didn't help us. This is strong. This is 82. We still want 84, 85 on the one. Like we got 90s. All that's dark blue. That's very strong. That is hubs. But the one's getting there. One's getting there. 86 and 94. That's not bad. Not bad. Mid to high 90s on stochastics with a strong 5. That's worth looking at. That's a 20-cent spread. It is overextended. It's our number 2 leader. But how much higher can it go, guys? It's up $11 over the 30-minute open range. So the only thing it didn't do is have a real good strong 1 to catch our attention. All right, Hubs is very, very strong. Very, very strong. 30-cent spread. 90, 97, 46. That's low volume though. If pace comes in, it'll knock you down hard. That right there is about 35,000, and this is 5,000. So, and 35,000 didn't hardly even move it. See, it just had just a little bit of a. Well, I guess if I did it like that, it looks better. I don't know. We got. It's still strong. That's 40. That's almost $1. You do not want to trade that. You do not want to trade that. I don't care how it goes. You don't want to trade that. That's $1. No. And low volume? No. Dollar spread? You can even go small shares on the dollar spread and get smoked. And I bet you're wondering how I know. Marvel's hitting a new high. That can run. I don't know where it ended up. Ended up right here. All right. Got good volume here. Fairly decent 5. Nothing on the 1. Nothing to speak of. I don't know. I don't like doing these. They're weak. They're weak and they're weak. They're just weak. Volume's picking up. Still weak. I'm telling you, they're weak. You got 82 and 92. We want like 85, 86, 87. We want 97, 98, 100. All right. I'm going to try it. It's over 100. Let's see what happens. It's over 100 right here. 112. And as soon as I went in, it kind of died. But we got 84, 90, high 90s on Stowe's is worth looking at. High 90s on Stowe is worth looking at. Good pace right here. High 90s. You dog. Yep.
Order filled.
Well, I didn't go negative, but I lost where I was at. That's not good trading. Not good trading. HUBS is strong on the 1, very strong on the 5. Got a 50-cent spread. Got good volume. I'm going to try it.
Order filled.
I'm going to try it. Very strong. 90s and 90s. 90s and 90s. That's very strong, but it is overextended. Let's see what it does. This is bad trading. I should not do this. Because it's very overextended, but it is very strong. 23.8, that looks good. Got to get some pace in. Very strong, very strong. If it adjusts, it's already made good move. I don't know if it can go higher. It can. 61.5, 61.6 on the 5. Good pace. 61.9. 24. 93. High numbers here. Big numbers. 24.1. 24.2. 24.2 still. 62.3. 24.3. Still big strong numbers here. If it'll get some volume, it'll go. 24.3. Not moving. No volume. All it's going to take is a little bit of pace and we're done. Yep. Yep, there comes the negative pace. 27, 27.2, 27.4. Lost our momentum here. Still, yep, just went negative. $64,000, that's a lot of pace. $78.9. Still buying. Still strong on the 5. Lost some stochastics. Still strong on the 5. The RSI still holding at 97. That's strong, guys. That's very strong. 157, at least it's moving up a little bit. 201 to 185. That one is super strong. And I'm still $70 down because of the spread.
Order filled.
All right, I got out even. All right, I'm up $19. Should I have quit trading? I will next time. All right, let's see. Well, we got a strong 5. We got mid to high 90s on the stochastics on the 1. That's worth looking at. It's not unreasonable. Oracle can move. It's got good volume on the 1. It's 80 and 81. We got negative on the 1. Negative on the 5 counting down. So that means it's buying. We got great pace. We got a very close spread. Still kind of got a high spread. We got good volume. 115 is good. 116. 13 counting down. I'm going to try it.
Order filled.
120, 121. We're mid to high 90s on the stochastics with a fairly good 5. It's not great, but I know it can move. 140, 143, 144, 147, 149, 155. 36 is positive up here now. It's positive on the 5. 166. Don't let it pull. Don't let it pull back. 174. 47 on the 5. 47.8. 181, 182. Very strong move so far. 53. Up, up, up. Come on. Don't give up yet. I'd like to see 200. I think it's about out of gas.
Order filled.
Plus 228. I'm done for the day now. I'm back to 223 for the day. And look at it. You saw it. You saw it happening. You saw it happening right there on Market Analyzer right here. You saw it. You said that looks good enough to take a chance on. We had a very strong 5 or a so-so strong 5, but our stochastics on the 1 were mid to high 90s. That's worth looking at. And look what it got us. It got it on 300 shares, small spread. It got us $228. And I'm quitting. I'm calling it a day. Hope you learned something. I hope I did better with the camera. I don't know if I did this. I don't know if I got this last trade. Great damn day. All right. I'll catch you later. Maybe you're learning something. I hope you are.